This video is specifically for adventure and hiking enthusiasts, as I will discuss the Backtrack and Waypoint feature on the Apple Watch Series 9. While this feature is available on the Apple Watch Series 6 and later models, I will be demonstrating how it works using my Apple Watch Series 9. To use the Backtrack feature, open the Compass app on your Apple Watch Series 9. You will find the Backtrack icon in the lower right corner. Tap on this icon to start tracking your route. It may prompt you with some pop-ups asking for location permission. Make sure to allow them. Once you tap on Start Recording, your route will be tracked. When you want to stop recording, tap on the pause button. You will get two options: retrace steps or delete steps. To retrace your steps, click on Retrace. You will notice steps animation on the Backtrack icon, indicating that you are retracing your recorded route. The compass arrow will guide you back to the original location where you started recording your route. As you approach your original location, the arrow will disappear. To continue with the backtrack, click on the Backtrack icon again. If you wish to continue backtracking, click on Continue Backtrack. If you don't want to record steps, click on Delete Steps. Now, let me tell you about the Waypoint feature on the Apple Watch Series 9. Waypoint refers to intermediate positions along a route. For example, if you're hiking, you can place waypoints on your route to mark where you have done something and mark it according to activities you have done. Let's understand how to use it through the Apple Watch Series 9. Open the Compass app. Do you see an icon on the lower left side? That's the Waypoint icon. Tapping on it will mark this point, allowing you to customize it with icons. For example, I have marked the car parking location with an icon. Now, I know exactly where my car is parked. Even if I move from this location, this waypoint will show me where my car is, making it easy for me to return. You can add multiple waypoints. To view all waypoints, tap on the I button in the upper left corner. Scroll down and tap on Waypoints. Then tap on Waypoints. Here, you will see a list of all waypoints along with their location coordinate and the distance of this waypoint from you. If you tap on any waypoint, it will show you when and why you set it, and you can also change its icon or color. Other than this, it will also display the map location. To set a target, tap here, and to delete, tap here. That concludes today's video. I hope you now understand how to use the Backtrack and Waypoint feature. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for notifications. If you have any advice or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.